there, how you doing today? Today I want to tell you about Nira, the first at-home laser for treating eye wrinkles and hooded eyes. This is so amazing for us, you guys. I've been using the Nira laser for a couple of months now, and I am loving it. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you really get time to try it out and see if it works. It takes about 4 months to see your full result. I've been using this once a day. You can use Nira laser twice a day if you want to see faster results. Nira laser is safe to treat under the eyes, around the eyes, and up here. And it helps build the collagen. So that's going to help lift that hooded eye back up. You're seeing all that hang right there on your eye because you've lost your collagen. And this is going to help rebuild your collagen in that very sensitive eye area. Super easy to use, takes 2 minutes a day. I go at a mid-level. Level 3, you have 5 levels. I started out at level 1. Level 5, I still find a little bit spicy, so I'm right there in your middle region. And you just use this button, and you follow along the wrinkle. When you hear that low tone, that simply means that you don't have it pressed properly against your skin. And you just need to readjust, and then it'll work fine. I love the fact that I can get right up here. And that's how easy it is. 2 minutes a day to reduce fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes and also help with hooded eyes. This also will help with dark circles, and it's even going to help a little bit with any acne scars you may have. It's such a game changer, guys, and right now is the perfect time to buy it. You can get 50% off now through December 5. That's their Black Friday special. So it's perfect if you want to give yourself the 90-day Nira challenge, or if you want to gift a friend or loved one. It's no risk. You've got a 90-day money-back guarantee, and it's 50% off right now. And of course, I have a link in the description box for you. Nira offers you a beautiful hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid is something that your body naturally produces on its own, and it is a great follow-up to using the Nira laser. It's so soothing and cool. And you can also continue to use any of your favorite products with it. You definitely want to make sure that you use sunscreen when you go out and about, but you want to do that anyway. Thank you for watching. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Make sure you take advantage and get your Nira right now for 50% off. I love you bunches. Here is my before and after using Nira for just over 2 months. So I'm still within that 90-day guarantee, and I can see that the wrinkles have softened and the hooded eye has lifted a little bit. So I'm very excited to keep using my Nira laser.